Hola bafethu podcast ya rena hape ka tsheko ke nane Abuto Monais Stan B ke na tlo bula first episode mari bula mari tswalla
hola bafethu. Cheers to that. I get what they say.
Babash.
To that, I'll drink to that.
Yeah man, ke le bola na kwa ha me bra ke le bola o fitla ha I know you are a very busy man ba re busy but ha ona motho ka ba busy o tshwana le wena wa bona
Chumi aga nna ke le bohela the factor bona una hanen na wantwara ware arbule di then so I'm honored the wantwara ne I can always make time njaga for wena o le parala ga wa itse le.
Salute Abuto Monais. Utlwalla man. Introduction ne ke nyaka ho itse mo hore Stan B ke mang and then Stan B o tswa kae le ho hola ha Stan B.
Yeah, na fandi uzi the brafan me thomile gore batswadi ba ka ba kopane ko Gandalf wantshwara ya Winterfell the street.
Yeah.
So ke belehetse go clinicing ya go Sosha go di age. Yeah, and then ne re nna go Gandhi go fletseng the ane pleke ba re go fletseng understand yeah. So ke tlile Sosha ke na le boma I think 5 years. So ke holetse Sosha most of my life from primary school.
Yeah, primary tsene mo botle pele. And from refile pele o ile kae?
Ke ile Boepatutsi.
Yeah.
Go di F.
And then
after Redumets, yeah, wantshwara. So ke di gela tse leng hore mo Sosha mo ke tsona e leng hore ne di tshwere di star wantshwara. In a way ya hore ne ba ruta. So ne o ya bana ba e leng hore wantshwara ba ikemiseditse. So ke holetse Sosha njaga. And then yeah, I mean Stan B ke artist. Stan B lo tsa baya nyana jone.
Yeah, because from setting I know hore ke artist, ke musician, behind the scene ke videographer. What else?
You know I also got a 9-to-5 as well, one first time. Yeah. Can I 9-to-5 as well, like a Spanella Department of Education.
Oh, that's nice, man.
Yeah,
that's
and
nice.
Then, yeah, but once I remember, get a longer vele, get a modima destinga art in jaga, music, or reading. All elements from poetry to rap to beat making, engineering, first time. I'm in front of the mic and also behind the scenes as well.
So meaning work camera studio. Everything would kirla from start to finish. Hey, that's nice, man. I see. Most of the time I keep telling my boys, sorry, even though only vocalist, but learn other things. Because you'll never know the guy fitlisa guy mo pillow. Yeah. So another thing in again, especially I'm calling that thing like. I did role models, they play a big role mo pilombare,
Sure.
So when I go no to hola like keep mamba iling or no to ba lebeletse the role model tsa.
Braga Dr. Dre, wantshwara. Dr. Dre, wa bona Dr. Dre ke motho e leng hore vele influence baya ke karata from bunyane wantshwara bo Eminem wantshwara ne. So bo Dr. Dre bo Oskido wantshwara ke majida ba ileng hore ba na le di record label and get the artist that's what I've always wanted to do. And then again to pursue, I'd like to believe so because I'm not just an artist, a producer, I can a record label bo sticky fingers I get one na Kek Jones bo sticky fingers o shapa dilo tse re dirang stonoro ba shoota the movie ka mo ke di performing artist those are guys that I grew up looking up to jageng ne.
And locally.
And then also, man, what do you like the role model, Joe? Even me time I get the role model. I'm on a personal level of things. Yeah, most especially me Joe. Yeah, a positive role. I feel like if Nesega, I don't think maybe Nengegile Yisu.
Because I remember Lugo school ngor fitle pele nele one of those parents ba ile ngone ba phela ba le teng mo school.
Yeah, she's always been hands-on velo especially on the academic side of things. Tsa me hutesele me bra wa bona re bya. Yeah, and then time ena vele wa itse discipline ya hae ke yona e leng hore wa ntshwara especially me Grootman wa utlwe re reng o laitilwe a re o tswa tseleng ya o phakile tse malwanyana
mara no mo lining
o mo lining wa utlwe re ebile ke la hata nna fortunately azanga unlighta my time wa bona mara damana ha o manya wa mutwa so I feel like ebile ke ka mkhwelong gore tamele be ka teng wa itse letso sometimes can make you rebellious.
Yeah, cause ke mo meetile haiwane time how hey mara hey, he looks like a very humble guy mara le age lona as a person ya o change
exactly no true that
yeah le age ya o change so a ntlhalosetse di dilo tso tsotlhe tse o leng busy ka tsona tse o manager bjame bra cause like le rena for nna I'm thinking gore re bile fortunate for kra motho o tshwana le wena especially ka letsatsi le ka tšeko like o manager bjang tshwanetse o make dibuka
no wa itse malome stone ro iralang nna ke old school o chomi aka wantswa ke sa spana ka direng ya o digirela checklist timetable in a way gore mo begeng ka plan I like planning. One thing that I do le go spanning wa bon le ntse le ngore batla ba rutile yona anything without planning you flop allo ena no gore o rane what you're doing o plan nge so I plan me who days or okay this week this is what I have to do and then once what the appointment that di link thing it's a lore fele di confirm de ka letsatsi le so ke try gore gireng ke manage na go yaka because of if lore nka no rana fele like a headless chicken go crash obviously tse dingwe nka se di honor the invitation it's so and then wa bona re tlabe ke te khawata self so ke bereka ka timetable le chumi yaka ke old school ke checklist this is what I need to do this week tick check once what
because planning has always been on point from go fitle pele I remember no let's bele go school
yes
o tlhella so ne re itse re sekolo sa tsena o letsa bele
sure child
till today so ka realize especially youth ya rena man aba involved thata mo dilong tse baya and then like I think gore dilo tsa tshwana le tse di so tse di podcast tse di so di ba ira gore ba understand gore motho tswa go kae and then ho tla bang gore motho a fitlhe mo a le mo teng wa bona because so many people they think or maybe o chess boy only to realize or it's not that it's just that o motho ile gore everything ya how it o tsaya nako how before ka ira
exactly no what di denga stonero men se ba bona ngare dilo tse re dirang di easy or like once we make it look easy sometimes le rena bona ba re bona go TV ka di music video they think it's easy they don't really know the background but this past weekend nege na le radio interview that go TTFM nege botsa there out ke re brafan me I feel like at some point tlamele ke no ngwala buka it will motivate the young ones once because hore ho be so ne ho se easy once mokakati ba baya ba re thomileng le bona along the way ba tloetse ba bona ba tloetse because mona it's not easy so men se bana no dilo tse they just come easy or everything is just going to come to you but I find me you need to be a go-getter you need to go get it I want about chess boy ba selo once I want about chess boy ba selo now everything that I got it on my own I wanna horeng it's just fortunate or ke kry-ile support so once support from once family wa bona because of it also plays a major role wa bona if was na support from family that also can be a challenge wa bona
so are you in a relationship
as in
yeah
mgege wise
yeah
ka di betha njalo
cause azanga ubona upostile
no storo lena I had a post now I saying le ba sendela different request lira ne mngakathi ka post maybe wena ngijump ke na lo post
nke go bona postile di sister ni post o ke di bona
ne wa itse o di bonang ke tla me wira etseng mara asore a ke postise ke that then I do post just tolerate ke prefer ore private life aga wa bona even le ntwana aga a ke sa mo posta ka mkhone ke mo posta wa bona these are my loved ones ke batho le ngore Joe ontswara they're in my private life I don't just want to put them out there as much as I used to
I understand that to bolanga yona like it's one let's say what lo you're vacationing and then once you fitla kwa lo nnela di photo how say enjoy vacation
Yeah, you're no longer living for the moment now.
Yeah.
We prove a point.
So you don't have to prove a point ka hore wena o na le family. So are ko albumong ya hao man. Sa mapara sa manyora.
Yeah.
Why you khethile lebitso le sa mapara sa manyora?
So ho ka re utlwela ke Bacardi wa bona? Ke Bacardi, and then Bacardi it caters more for the streets. So re mapara wa bona, mapara ba rata nkwari, mapara ba rata Bacardi. So I feel like ke lifestyle e leng hore e representa sound ya Bacardi le rena so mapara re mapara here le so wa ntshwara ne.
So ke stuff sa mapara ke stuff sa manyora.
Mapara ke stuff sa manyora, even though se rata ke mamedi ba wa itse ke bona ile re busy he thoma e dropa o tlo bona ka le rao le chika thata wa ntshwara. So sa mapara sa manyora wa utlwa le wena hore e catchy.
So sa mapara sa manyora na ne Dada Mene da.
Yeah, ke nna le Dada Mene basically ke project ya ka le ena really too.
Yeah.
It's more based on the production, nna ke a flow wa da.
And Zulu Naja ena mo kae?
Zulu Naja na le di-track tse itere le ena mo albumong wa bona. Le ena is someone le ngore we work very closely le ena. I feel like at any time from now on we're gonna drop a Stan B Zulu Naja project on Twitter, because yeah, a lot of collaborations re di betha bo botle, and then ra vibe man Zulu ke le out bela ene dai bara fan me. Shout out Zulu Naja.
And then another thing e leng gore ke bone from wena, moving aside from music ho ya go film, ke bone hona ne a new film e leng gore la shoot it's coming.
Yeah.
So can you tell me more about it, and then do inspire le ke eng gore o feletse o fitla mo pointing ya gore o shoot a film?
Yeah, no, title e sa teka wa bona, because we have a few titles for the movie, mara I feel like that's a list of our worries for now. Movie already starts e leng hore ke di discovery le bara fan me mokasi natural pure talent wa ntshwara like diamonds in the rough. Go botsa ka batho ba bo Malindisi, real name ke Nelly from Winterfeld, bo Daddy Marijuana, real name Potemane from Block TT, ke tshwere bo le Gasto Mamazala o mongwe wa betha top of line. So ke action comedy e leng hore when we started this whole thing it thomile ka metlae braga wa ntshwara dilo tse ra no latlhela ko TikTok di a tshwara mollo ko TikTok di a trenda mo e leng hore I'm like no man, eventually we need to monetize, because TikTok wa re gafa batho ba nana re judge nyo kwa TikTok a sort patele rena moreleng. Okay, nna mo ke leng, let me speak for myself. TikTok wa sompatele di million tse le di bonang di streaming are so that I saw monetize. So okay, let's come up with a way whereby now Demons at some point e mood ba joba talent le yona e motivate ke sengane nyana e mood le yona khono ho reka le face or e re go performa go shooter. So now okay, let's create a movie and then now try to get to another market, because market ya social media le TikTok I feel like so now I feel like we need to step to another level in Jaga. So movie ke direction erang mo yona no, so and then amongst other things eleng already tune wa
Lenna myself I'm looking forward to collaborate le lena, especially mo filming e tlang in anything wa bona.
Yeah,
because I believe rena as Pitori we need to step up ka a lot of things. We don't need hore di artists tse paya tsa rena di tlohe ka mo and then di oba di star ka ntlhela, because I've realized hore Joburg ke mostly tshwere ke di artists tsa rena.
Exactly.
And then ba feel proud ka bona, where else rena re palla go re ka ba proud ka bona wa bona, like the likes of Bo Matwinti le Bollebohang.
Yeah,
they are there that
GTIC.
side, the GTIC family.
Yeah.
And then ba ka ntlhela what else nke lor ba ka mo re pusha ntwe kaofela, and then if the funding di atla and stuff then we know this side. So the thing is that herely few ka mo go ba bima lor re ka ba funded wa bona.
True.
So I'm thinking gore ke something se ileng gore tshwantse re lebelle modimo sona, and then re zamo re pushe ka matla, because of there is money there bra. Imagine re owner hub ya rena entertainment there. YouTube or kind of fund the young filmmakers telling what they are trying.
I like the way you think, Jaga. And then another thing, Stonoro, while you're still on that one, Chumiak, no arsane excuse, waba. The equipment there shidi. Once Aramabadiro abuti Chumiaga. So Sarena were no Sarana, waba. Nova United, and then Latlang bu celebrity woman, bu celebrity bagasel tusi gasel. Abo very one sort. Eva mo to ube an employee one sort. Take this thing as a job. Don't come here to kira superstar mo to ina go prongela na go merego go no bolelang. So I feel like moving forward, Chumiaga, I'm glad that you're willing to partner, and one sort. Now my door is open for you, and then I feel like the more we are united, the more massive this thing is going to become. And in Kamkulongor, we're going to become a powerful force. And then, Sesalang, Joe, Merego, Bon, Ochabamazo, and Utat Polel.
Because why is it, Batumamorena, what they do, like each and every time, Bagada little snacks, he told Madire, and then they step up. I remember, Kaspanale Dairy, like a while back, come around, and like a lot of people, hey, Dairy Thomas Panalo, and they would come to me, hey, how do you feel, Dairy? Aspanale, le stand B, and I was like, my bra, upelo na steps mo pelo. Like ke konova steps sa mo sa orna mela, and then ubone ki o hole mo ara tshonno ara wa tlhalo ntho ke bolla. So by that time na ka bono man no man le step, and then just because of that guy is there, it's still good, cause he dey popa go fe.
Ebia, I get it even after Akiti Spanele na before, after Libo Prince, so eventually, Braga, this thing, Joe, as long as we no logo pelo, you investigate on Iranangilo, and then Stonor Lena no. That man who regire so. Kinyagwara agre that recognition Mupilo Bible Konova wait and Jaga because that man not talented.
Because the reason Diamond Spanele is because of I've realized there's talent here, and then like this guy push, and I started pushing him, and then for now what I can tell you win because of push to people like you, and then I played my role because push it from this step to this step. So hona ba nung umo hore a go pele a ka tswannolla ke re ngwana ke thomile le ena ona ba nung go high school wa tlhalwa
no wa bona lo logolotse pelo braga wa bona ona ba banshi ba bola ke
so a re go relationshiping ya le daddy, and then le ho sustain. How do you sustain the relationship between them and the two, because of like ke ka le spana ka ofela mfethu.
Yeah.
And it's very rare.
Sure. So, this whole thing, I feel like other than span, yeah, only rato lele natural between rena mo eleng hore ke brotherhood. Ke motho eleng hore le ke follow pa ke khonore bla 1 2 1 2 it's gonna come through for me once or same thing in the other way I follow pa wa izora ine mfana go ding once or re bang so dilo tsa spane is just the cherry on top ke bonus ya ke bonus
o blind ka fana mabitso a romangwe
umbitsa mabitso mabaya ke nice o rata nice nice sometimes a thabile ke bo Dr. Mahlangu
o kono bitsa banana damwe.
Yeah, skill pod. So yeah, otherwise ke mfana le kampo phatletse ka dipudi tse tere ka tere
ma yeah. No, but then I'm very much happy hore o motswiri, and then how
yeah ke le para ene ona le discipline and he's punctual, but to have a mona they think hore more no daddy that is very professional in Jack. I feel that's why Lena umfamata or Kispanele.
I remember the last time ke nna ke shoot o fitle ka nako 9 ke meti da.
Why bon?
Ke mo grele setse ya tlhatsutse kolo ya feditsa ra ke.
So batho ba so lo ena o famata o khono lo ena or eshanes var mo. Really we need to work.
Yeah, so let's go to, because I know, man, I've seen you a lot of time on TV. I've seen you a lot of times more mo YouTube, the music videos tsa hao, regularly the artist at top. So what are the biggest artists? Who are the biggest artists tse ileng gore regularly tsona in music?
In music. Brafan me, well, these guys ke ba respect out tswana for now, one swara for now, ba big bo bohle dog, like one swara Join Pusha, Obita, Black Les, Boy Wonder, NV, Dada Man, Any Man, Champagne 6ix9ine, 25K, the collaboration, it's a bayanyana, one swara, but yeah, I mean, yeah, but Uncle Tenny, King Mog, one swar. The list is endless in Jag. I feel like all the guys back expanding level, and I get talk about their best there, and then for now they're big.
Ngeusa about the best, ngeusa span
level.
Yeah. So now I want to go to the gigs. Who giga, me bra, the challenges still on because a lot of artists ba struggle, especially when tshwantse ba gig mo playing arena. Because like most of the pub, the club, ababa pateli me bra. So challenge you when we deal with that.
Yeah, why is it again? But the one more high flop challenge you na ke bono re why is it again braga. Are the girl the gigs are no one? Yeah, I feel like you're on a solution because the men's especially whole one more high. But not no still big one more high. Tamo faterinya na trikinya na mo high atwi. Mara heke more high that's when they appreciate you more. Maybe because of about winning more often. I get no kono get feed so mara no stay that swing. Guys again mo feel 1-2 I'm first down and little na so the artist mo higher no jo ke mo locally weekend take free again a gig ke bed. But gonna settle for that day. So I feel like it's do what works for you. Na braga stonoro, heki feel or more one handle again. And then if you feel okay, no, I can work with this. Especially now, because you push us in beat clothing, the rolling papers arena. Because okay, go pay maybe go register album arena in the form of a USB. I know I can sell one swap. So I calculate, or is this worth it, or yeah? And then I take it from there. Mara shem, hovelela nede amohai bahana gazaga. Bahana, especially hosa konot polel. Bafana ba performela mabyala le performela just to rekin on ncenga or bampone. Sometimes it's good, Buffett. It's good, do it, but do it to a certain extent. Respect yourself and also respect your craft. At least this whole thing, how we hear, ubele goal eventually. But now it flop go rebanong listen this whole thing for even by long horebona they trying to put bread on the table. Eba difficult because the club owner batlo botso rawa last week ne kana le bafana ba go kae ba bethile aka ba fa se wena sinyaga then ba compare because of exploitation wa bona. So hence I'm saying Joe, be smart, do what works for you. If you feel okay ke na le EP ke nyaka ho promote and ke nyaka go performela mahala, that's you, do it. It's a good thing. But if you want to make this thing a career and then you're going to make it a habit, you will lose. You're going to run it a loss. So performela mabyala ke bonai.
And then when ale community how music how more community, how do you give back to the community?
Yeah, but I find me now music wise say more high. I feel like if I want a t-shirt as then B hona la bothata. If I want a cap as then B because if one supporter, there's always a hamper that I offer my people. I can get more time just because of some people ba go TV banze ban na loena mo haufimo and they won't say much. They won't even comment. Joe, I like what you're doing. Album guy. That's support.
And I also think that thing to change amongst the artists, the people by are very influential in the community. I think we are the ones but to Babona Stone or Upper B. Babonestern be a Prestono.
Thank you.
And then from there they start to realize or ahona quarrel.
Exactly.
Because I think especially ga barging on an education system en ngile tsa nke OBE
Yeah.
ne ruta batho di group work go bereka kaofela
That's right.
until barging the whites ba bona or this thing to empower because once re bereka kaofela that means re ba dangerous.
Exactly.
And then from there what this thing or everybody bereka as an individual.
Eish, yeah, Stonoro mo wa be ya chomiaga. Wa izebile obolela ka OBE ne. OBE, I remember ne ke sa le go re itumetse when it was implemented. Outcomes based education.
Yeah.
Yeah, ne re spana ka group work jo. And then ka mkhobolela there was power in that. Even hence even now. The men say whenever we become like united battle because there's power in unity, wabona. So hence I'm saying Stonoro nna ke logo lotse pelo chomiaga ke apara di brand tsa whoever o ngayang. I'm not like ke re ke betha nna fela. Once or lo no ka re ke tshwere merchandise stand beer exchange. Away. Once or this whole thing ya uri mang a hohele kwa mang a hohele kwa el serle ntho wane re tlo jalla ta chomiaga.
So issue ya merchandise salakanya go ba part ya create the brand and stuff, but then I realized that like most of the time the white people, the Chinese, they know hore re tlo fitla mo pointing e leng gore nya go create a brand. So they realize hore since ba palla gore go re berekisa and ba ka create the brand ra ba rekisa tsona, so now they create plain t-shirts and then right now we go out there ra di printer cause even in the process, are we recommission, bro? And then, like I'm telling you, t-shirt one, ogasi regisi for 200,
Yeah.
People always complain. Why? Because of truthfully, if ever the the producer, more country in arena, but skip us house a producer from scratch, you'll be making money. So I think it will come from more education system in arena. And then as Lily teachers, you will teach it. You will teach it because I think we learn a buyer, but then ara learn how to But I think as teachers, since we trust and stuff, we know who each and every day we teach. Because I think we
That's right.
and then recognize the parents from Gosiding, right at the same thing. And then I think from there, each and everything change, because we've got a big market, more Africa.
No, more way the whole thing has to come from the Department of Education, because of syllabus, whatever that they introduce is what the kids run with. So sometimes adiba benefit. So if diamonds bagay lugisa from kodimugwa, ho renare re hashamo. Re khona ruta bana ba di skills tse leng gore di ba berekela ka mo bolelang wa ntshwara re bjang business education e tsenelle more practically so le sa tlo ruta bana ka dilo di theme tse leng gore ka o sane motho a teng e bile wa itsekeng o ira ntho completely different from what they were learning in class. Wa bona re ba benefit is just a waste of time.
Because I remember go biology way before ne ba ruta ka lehotlo.
Yeah.
Like you ask yourself, mo economy ya ga tshiko especially Ramaphosa lehotlo le tsena ga ke itse lehotlo o itse di mantswa manga magima bo di perilymph of
yeah, well that can work one sort of more advantaging how provided when you go daring by bitsan the study of animals. If when you go study how then the vet like one sort yeah, I feel like that can work. But what I'm saying Stonoro, like they need to develop programs where they get in detail in Jaga in terms of like having to start your own business from scratch.
Mining. Like as young people, we need to become big players in our own country in order to produce the minerals.
One for stand.
Because of Honaga no Gramoto over go Anglo Platinum, a black person, Atalone Seal, I eat gold refinery.
Exploit you and turn my corner. So yeah, such programs I feel like Tamele Jodino implement the like Agi Dore Garabaga Votaba Tona Lerena at some point because youth we know what's happening so flop a Tyler moto very far away from what's happening. Like touch of the actual reality, and then when you go to dilo tsa hae tse leng gore yena o di lenne overseas e leng gore a di correspond le batho ba mo hae.
Barfa education system e leng gore I think mo lefatsheng lo lotlhe.
Then
le Zimbabwe e nane far much better.
Hey, then Roberto Morao, if you continue on it, so hey, there must be change.
Yeah, there must be change, my brother. Let's go back to you.
My lord.
5 years from now, what can we expect from you? Growth here, how? Or maybe next year.
Well, I can't predict the future, but there will be growth. You will see. There'll be another interview. Yeah, that's all I can say. But more music, obviously, more visibility on TV, and I'm feeling like I need to now interact more with the people. So there'll be more touring as well. I will be coming to different cities. Before I got loga kantlila because re na le khampa kantlila go Botswana le go Zambia kantlila ke tsere mapara kantlila ba leng gore on a daily ba nsherela video di atla kantlila
so go go desert no le ga da
that nge bila se desert ke mine wa khale ko Soweto yeah ne re shoota video ya San Mangethe da so I bone re bya yeah but kam kho re leng dese ka teng o tla bona nga re go Kalahari view
ana go go desert ebile o tsore camera ba
yeah nna mela thaba da so yeah man South Africa na le di pleke tse pila stone ro net le rena ka re wa itse re di creative di engeletse I better mo tlhaka na bona ka ro ane pleke ngwe far away from home
I traveled to a lot of countries in South Africa, but like I've never seen anything as beautiful as South Africa. I don't know.
Yeah.
So in closing,
yeah,
to the young boy, oilingorona vision, and then ana support or ana silo, and then what grow, and then go to what can you say to him?
Before everything else, on Twarane, yeah, prayer, Papa, prayer, the power of prayer. There's power in prayer. Bia modimo pele, understand? Bia modimo pele, and then ebale respect. A ho khathaletse hore young or old. Everybody respect the compa everyone. Stay prayed up all the time. Whatever you do, stay prayed up. Don't slack. Go to school. Stay in school. Kauhana le bad energy, bad vibe. Chumi out gira clever. Out discover 1-2 years old. Kauhana le na asiena Okay na benung watla wirang ro senye fisha yao o deno o tsuba nyakzeni or crystal. Kawana ho bona chomi e leng gore ha o la tletse gore ha o la ka letsi dilo tse shapo a re o ska ngwala homework oro a re tsuba jepo malomo shile jepo dedi mari jwana a shule na tsuwa o la tletse jepo wena o nya gore o menye that then khauhana maloma o shile biri ile toilet o nya gore khauhana le chomi e byao listen to your teachers. Always make sure you fulfill your duties. Whether ba re tlhatswa di bjana, o sa nyatsa magogo a hao botse re tlhatswa di bjana. You will go a long way. You will go a long way. You understand? And then whether umshimano or umwanyana itate, and then make sure always make kore eu yona oskabe wa ira mistake. Make sure that you respect, then you will go far. And manage your time wisely as well. There's time for playing. There's time for understand each and everything in Alena Guayona. Manage your time wisely. Know when to do what and how to do it. Always run for perfection. Nagele mfanele kampakira byao.
ya ra itswalla re bafana ba makhamba Stan B we
re phatlhetse ka dipudi tse tere ka terama sa ke re itse re nkulela teng mara pudi ile le teng selo sa dipudi se ngile sa nkudisa botlhoko ka shopele ba fitlhile ba le ka terama tsa ka go di go ka di na le mollo ai man
si
bo
tango
salute
Stan ne ke a leboga my bra
my lord